Using a newsletter plugin in WordPress is a great way to build and engage an email subscriber list. Here's a step-by-step guide to using a newsletter plugin. Install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for a newsletter plugin such as MailPoet, Newsletter, or MailChimp for WordPress. Click Install Now and then Activate. Configure the plugin. After activation, you will typically be redirected to the plugin setup page. Follow the prompts to configure basic settings such as adding your email address and logo. You may need to connect the plugin to an email service provider like MailChimp or set up SMTP for email sending. Create a sign-up form. Use the plugin's form builder to design your email subscription form. Embed the form in your website using a widget, shortcode, or by adding it to a page or post. Build and send newsletters. Create newsletters by using the plugin's editor. Add content, images, and links to your email. Segment your audience if needed and schedule or send them immediately. Monitor performance. Track open rates, click rates, and other analytics from within the plugin to refine your email marketing strategy.